1 Minute Finnish Lesson 7.
Hey, hello.
It's Mark and Petra here, your Finnish teachers, bringing you 1 Minute Finnish from the Radiolingua Network. Each lesson of 1 Minute Finnish teaches you just a few words and phrases in 60 seconds, or thereabouts. Last lesson, you learned to introduce yourself. In Lesson 7, you'll learn how to say it's nice to meet someone.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Can you remember how to say, my name is? Petra, what would you say?
Minun nimeni on Petra.
Now, when you meet someone, it's only polite to say that it's nice to meet them. To say this in Finnish, you would say...
Oli mukava tavata.
Okay, let's slow that right down. Petra, can we hear it again?
Oli mukava tavata.
Try it one more time.
Oli mukava tavata.
Good. So maybe your new Finnish-speaking friend could help you with your Finnish. Listen to this phrase.
Voitteko auttaa minua oppimaan lisää suomea?
Things are getting a little more complicated now. Let's slow this right down.
Voitteko auttaa minua oppimaan lisää suomea?
Now this means, can you help me learn more Finnish? Of course, you're already learning Finnish, but this phrase will help you make lots of Finnish-speaking friends. Try saying the whole phrase after Petra. She will say it slowly.
Voitteko auttaa minua oppimaan lisää suomea?
Okay, let's take the first part. Can you help me?
Voitteko auttaa minua
To learn more Finnish.
oppimaan lisää suomea?
Let's put the whole thing together.
Voitteko auttaa minua oppimaan lisää suomea?
And let's try it one more time.
Voitteko auttaa minua oppimaan lisää suomea?
Time's up, and once again, I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned in this lesson will go down well with your Finnish-speaking friends or business colleagues. Today's phrases have been quite tricky, so try to listen again to the episode. That's all for today.
Kiitos ja hei hei!
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.